Alright guys, so we're gonna start marking out these spots. See, Ed's got them started up here. These X's, mark them out. We're gonna drill them out like over here. Mark them out, drill them out. All the way down and around. Take a look. Alright guys, we're back. We're pumping this stuff out. Everything's been drilled out. That's the ceiling. It goes over the garage doors on both sides. And then we got this slope area here. Let's go. Completion. Everything has been blown, plugged up. These are styrofoam pots. All over the door. Everything's all cleaned up. Because we always leave it better than we found it.